Test. Okay. Test 1, 2, 3. All right, I think we're good. Okay, 1 second, just last minute setup. All right, so right now I am running the stream. Today I'm gonna do something different. I'm gonna work on some hyperverse stuff, but I got one request in the real world. Somebody asked me to do a Java tutorial, so I kind of want to abide by that and then do that. Let's cover some Java basics. Learning Java helped me immensely because you can find a job if you know Java well. I mean, even the basics should be enough to land you like an internship. It's like the most important or most used language. That's debatable. People can debate on that. In my experience with the path that I'm trying to go down, it's been like, well, that and JavaScript, those are like the two like most requested skill sets. I wanted to, for Hyperverse, I wanted to set the stage for a very requested showdown. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna have Goku do a rematch with Superman. there's our boy. Now, see, I'm not so sure though. Like, oh, why'd I do that? Yeah, see, I'm torn. Like, Superman is cool and all, but I kind of wanted to have Goku fight, like, the Hulk or something like that. But this is what people are asking for, so... Okay. Right now I'm importing Superman. Hey man, Joe Elite Jr. Thank you. We'll see. We shall see. Yeah, Java is crazy. Goku though, huh? But I did Goku vs Superman, and I know what people want to see. The problem is, like, oh, what did it crash? Oh, it must have crashed. Of course it did. The problem is Superman hasn't done much lately. I don't know why it crashed on me. Like, Superman has not had much activity. And in the comics, like, in Dark Crisis, I think Clark Kent finally came back, you know, into the fold instead of his son. And he got, I guess, what you want to call a new power-up. While I'm pulling this up, I'll show it to you guys. Alright, I'm gonna get it started on the Java stuff here in a second. I wanted to just set this up because I want to do some animating tonight, but yeah. So, it's a crappy image. My computer hangs up sometimes when I'm streaming. Yeah, so here's Clark Kent and his very disappointing son. That's my opinion. Here he is, the new form of Superman. Now, I have a few issues with this. Like, this is supposed to be his new power-up, and he's, like, immune to, like, kryptonite and all this other crap. The only problem is, in this storyline, like, it's like, he's in, like, a dream realm, you know, because, like, all these multiple universes are being brought back into the fold. It's really confusing. DC's really just bad at writing when it comes to the new stuff. But if I could find a way to leverage this into, like, their rematch, I think that'd be pretty cool. Alright. Okay, so I'm opening that. Alright, anyways, on to the Java stuff. I'm going to create a new workspace for myself. I'm going to go over, like, the basics of Java. Okay? So, like, I'll talk to you about variables, methods, you know, loops, conditionals, stuff like that. The most important thing you could learn is, like, objects, in my opinion, and how to use them. So anyways, I'm going to create a workspace. Okay. My personal computer is really unorganized. Okay, back to this thing. Let's see. Something is up with like importing Superman. That's why he screwed up. Let me look into that. Yeah, that's the one. I'm trying to multitask here. All right, so I am here in this is called Spring Tool Suite. It's really popular for like enterprise development. So I'm not gonna go over like the IDE. It's based off of Eclipse, but it's got this really nice like framework, multiple frameworks for like plugging into databases, you know, and manipulating data. Really great for server-side programming and creating like, you know, web apps. I just created that thing. There you go. Cool. I'm gonna. Let's call this. I'm gonna call this Java Basics. Don't think we're not going to need anything special. No special libraries for this project. I'm just going to go over some basic stuff. And this is really good because it's going to help me remember, you know, a lot of stuff. Like I literally got certified in Java like 3 months ago, and I've been doing more JavaScript development than anything. So I've been away from it. So this is kind of nice. Okay, so here's my project folder. Sources where all my stuff's gonna go. Let's create a new class. Yeah, so I'm going to create a new class here. And the name of this class, let's see. Let's just call it Zoo. Yeah, we're gonna call this Zoo. Okay. Now I'm going to create another class. We're going to call this animal. Okay. Yeah, that's fine. I'm going to have it all in the same package for now. Another one. I'll call this dog. And then another one. We'll call this cat. And actually, you know what? I'm going to create another package and put these files into it just to show some dependencies and how it would look like to import the proper ones. Call it com.models. Call it models. I'm going to take these and put them in here. Yes. Yeah, it's going to change the package name up here automatically for me. Right, so if I go in here, now you'll see it's com.models. And then zoo is still com.java basics. Okay. So this is a Java class, okay? And in order for you to do anything inside your main class, you're going to need a main method, right? This zoo class is my main class. Real quick though, what is a class? A class is a blueprint for an object. Okay, an object. I keep this puppet. You know, this puppet's facial expressions are mapped to the numbers on the keyboard, so this is going to be kind of weird. Anyhow, an object represents data. It's like encapsulated data. So there's 4 pillars when it comes to object-oriented programming. You have inheritance, you have abstraction, you have encapsulation, and then you have polymorphism. Inheritance, you have a parent-child relationship. You know, you'll have your parent class, which is, in our case, the animal. The animal class is going to be extended by the child classes, which are the cat and the dog. So extends animal. I don't know why IntelliSense isn't kicking in here. So yeah, a cat is an animal. Okay. Okay. Yeah, so a dog is an animal. Both a cat and a dog are an animal, but I can do specific things to each class, make it unique. So yeah, in Java, in order to run any code, you need your main method. Nope. Main. In Eclipse, you can do control space, and then it'll complete a lot of code for you. So public static void main. Okay. This method needs to be in your class in order for it to run any of your methods. So you're gonna need a class that has a main method. And then also, if you try to run this code through like a shell or the command prompt, it's got to have a main method. And then it takes in a string array of arguments. So this is the syntax for this main method here. Yeah, so, yep, so let's talk about the 4 pillars. So yeah, so we covered inheritance, right? So, cat and dog are both animals, so they inherit from the animal class. So they're going to get its properties and its methods once I fill this in. So that's inheritance. And Java, by the way, a lot like C#, does not do multiple inheritance. You can only do single inheritance, but you can have as many interfaces as you want. So that's kind of how they handle multiple inheritance. You actually just subscribe to a bunch of interfaces, you know, if you need a bunch of common functionality between different classes. So I don't know why I keep doing that. Yeah, so yeah, we need some variables. And what I'm making now are class variables. Since they're going to be outside of the main method, they're going to be available to every method inside this class. Let's see, what could we use here? Let's actually do an array of animals. Let's do int amount equals 0. We'll initialize that right away. This can get complicated too, so you know it's good to document everything and try to stay as neat and clean as possible. Int amount, and let's do we'll just stay there for now. There's just plenty of data types in let's see, float, weight. Yeah, okay. Let's see, let's do a string and sound. I'm just coming up with stuff here. Yeah, okay. And as you can see here, you know, I did the IntelliSense when I imported the animal class, and it went ahead and did that for me up here. You're going to need this import statement in order to use these classes here. So I'm going to have an array of animals, okay? But let's go back to an animal, all right? So I described the weight in our main class, so let's go with, let's do that here too. Okay. I'm going to create what's called a constructor here. This is a default method here. I'll have it here just a default method, or I'm sorry, a default constructor is something that you need to declare if you're going to have your own constructors. So I'm only declaring this because I'm going to write a constructor that is going to manipulate this stuff here. If you had no constructors, then Java is just going to perceive that you need one. If that makes any sense. So we're going to create our own constructor. And I'm going to take in a weight. Oh, crap. We're going to take a float weight. String called sound, and we're going to take a string called name. And I like to kind of make the parameters different from the class variables, just so I don't get confused. So this dot weight equal weight. Yep, I think you get what's going on here. Equals sound. Yep. Then this dot name is equal to name. Yep. And then I'm going to create some getters and setters here. So you may be asking yourself, what the heck are you talking about? What is this? What are you doing? Getters and setters allow you to mutate an object and get and retrieve data from it without, you know, having direct access to the class variables. You can make it so you have direct access, but it's not advised. You just put public in front of everything. Right now everything is default, so only this class can see this stuff. I could be wrong, but I think some subclasses could see this, but I don't think so. I think only this class can see it. If it's in the same package, you can probably see it. So maybe cat and dog can see that. I'm not sure. We'll find out. So, Spring and Eclipse. Okay, Spring is Eclipse basically. It's like a layer on top of Eclipse for enterprise apps. For me, it wrote all these getters and setters, so I don't have to do all that myself, which is nice. It's a brilliant app. I can even create my own toString method, which is like really common. So. And it's nice that it does this, because then I can just go in here and manipulate it and change it to whatever I need it to be. And I think that's fine, actually. We'll just print all that stuff out. So here I created an object. Okay, this is the animal object right here. Yeah. And let's create. Ow, that hurt. Let's create a method that we're gonna overwrite. I think it could be C sharp. Make sure I'm doing this correctly. Yeah, so let's see. Speak. That's going to be the name of this method here. And I'm just going to do a system. I'm just going to do a right to the console here. Let's do name plus to say, and then we'll go with sound. Okay. All right. So I kind of got ahead of myself. Give me 1 second. I need to get a charger for my laptop here. Yeah, I kind of went far ahead into the whole basics here. So yeah, these are my variables. Okay, variables hold data. Their memory addresses. You know, they point to a value, right? There's this thing called the heap and the stack in Java. I actually want to review this. Those are good keywords to remember, the heap and the stack. I believe class variables, let me look that up. I think they're kept in the heap. So, okay. Objects, when they're created, they are stored in the heap. Stack memory contains like your local variables and references to your objects. So the heap is where a lot of this, you know, the variables and stuff is stored, and then the stack contains references to it. If anyone wants to correct me, please feel free to do so. And a lot of people will just create stack memory when it comes to variables, meaning they'll put all the variables within the methods themselves. But anyways, here's our animal model, okay? Okay, so here we're gonna do override. Here's some polymorphism coming your way. Polymorphism means, you know, many forms. Basically different ways to do the same thing. So that, you know, that comes into a lot of your overriding and overloading of methods and stuff like that. anyways, we're gonna do in spring. You can just type sys. Oh. Okay. In spring, you can type like syso and then control space, and then it'll do that for you. So let's say. I should just be able to do that. Yep. Yep. See, I inherited name and sound from the animal class, so that is why I'm able to use those variables here. I'm just gonna literally copy this and we'll put it in the cat class, except we'll just change some things. Okay, cool. Alright, so I have my animal class, which is the blueprint for an animal object, and then I'm going to have my dog object and my cat object inherit from the parent animal class. So we have access to its variables here. Its weight, sound, its name. So a whole bunch of things are happening here at once. And then these are constructors. This is your default constructor. It doesn't have anything implemented inside of it. If this is called, then it just creates a brand new vanilla animal. It's not going to have any values. I think everything will be 0. I think this will be null, and this will be null. I think strings are just null if you try to print that out. And we can actually mess with that. So okay, I got my animals. So let's do some stuff here. Give me one second. You know, instead of an array, no, let's do a list, actually. And I'll tell you the difference between them here in a second. See, I love Spring. It'll just do that for you and solve a lot of problems for you. Okay, so we're gonna say animals equals new list of animals. Nope, animal. Pretty sure that's. I can't understand you that type of list. Huh. Wait, give me 1 second. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So this list is a new array list of animals. Okay. Okay, so now we're going to create some animals. Okay. So animals dot add. What the? Here we're going to say new, let's say dog. And what does an animal take in? It takes in a weight, a sound, and a name. So we'll say 10.0, woof, and then Scooby. That's our first one. And I just need to import that. Why can't I do this? Huh? One second. Oh, you know what? I need to create a constructor for this so that I can use that. And in order to use that animal constructor is pretty simple. Okay. All I'm going to say is super. And that will inherit the constructor from the parent class. Or at least I think. I'm probably super duper wrong right now. So anyways, so I should be able to put all that back in there. Huh. No, I guess not. So I'm just, I guess you just gotta create this constructor again. So, see if that does it. Oh wait, no way. Was it because I? Oh geez, that's probably it. Hold on. Let me change that real quick. I think it's probably just that. That's it. No. Okay. All right. Never mind. So yeah, you got to be specific when setting your values between string and or float and double. For float, you got to put the F there. So yeah. So okay, back in business. So we just added a new dog to our list of animals. Okay, so let's add a cat. Cat. So the cat weighs 5 pounds. It makes a meow sound, right? And its name. What's a popular cat name? Puss in Boots. My cat's name is Beerus, so we're gonna go with that. So we'll do that. Let me do the same jazz over here. So we have float, weight, string, sound, and string. So super means it's going to take all these variables and do what this is doing right here. It's going to set it to be the properties of the animal. Okay. And I'll make use of these getters and setters here in a second. I made this complicated right away. No, we're not going to do all that. We'll do try catch some other time. So let's add another animal. Okay. And we're just going to add a new animal. We're not going to say what type of animal it is. Okay. But we are going to give it a weight. It's going to weigh, I don't know, 30 pounds. It's going to roar. No, it's going to hiss. And its name will be Snaky. Okay. So we got all that. So we're gonna say amount is equal to animals dot length. Okay, that's gonna give me the all right, this matters. Tell you what, let's make this a local. We'll make this local. So equals animals dot length. I'll tell you what, to avoid all this static jazz, I'm just gonna go ahead and also make this local. We'll keep everything local for now. Okay. Size? I think it's size. Okay. So let's get the size here. So we're gonna do sys out. Let's get the size. I'm sorry, amount. So here in the console, you can see here that it printed out 3. Because, geez, my puppet's face again. Yeah, so the amount of animals inside this list here is 3. Okay. So now let's say let's make them all talk. Yeah, so I'm gonna make all these objects speak now. Okay. We're gonna do animals 0 dot speak. Yeah. Hold on. Nope, that's not it either. Oh, okay. Gotcha. So in order to access the elements in an array list, you gotta do it like this. So animals dot get and then the index, which is 0. So now we're going to do dot speak. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Seek. Jesus, I misspelled it. Yeah. Speak. Yeah, okay. Okay, and let's do that for all of them. Dot get one, same deal, dot speak. Oh, maybe I don't need to do that. Just kidding. Yeah, I think it's not even necessary. I need to do the sys out. I don't think we need that. Because it's already doing that, so. What's the matter? What? No. Yeah, okay. You have to save everything. Make sure you save. Okay, I'm up to an hour here, so we're gonna end it here shortly. I actually covered quite a bit. We don't need this. Yeah. All right, so we did quite a bit. Used variables. We created a bunch of objects. I didn't teach anything about collections yet, so like list here, array list, I'll probably go over that next time, next Wednesday. Anyways, I am adding elements to this array list at runtime, and I'm using variables to fill in the constructors for these animal objects, and yeah. We're using polymorphism to override the speak method for our cat and dog. And we are inheriting the constructor from the animal class. We're just filling it in right here. So to verify that that's working properly, let's do some toStrings, actually. Okay. Let's separate these just to be organized. Okay. So I'm gonna print some stuff out here. Each one is gonna run their speak method. Okay. So I'll save that and run it. And there you go. So the dog's name is null, and the dog likes to say null. That's not great. Yeah. Interesting. Okay. I was wrong. It does not inherit everything, so you gotta fill it in yourself. So this dot weight, and it's actually referencing the class variable, so we're gonna have to do it like this, equals weight. This is good. It's good to remember, learn this stuff again. This dot sound equals sound, and this dot name equals name. And let's do that for the cat also. Okay, that should fix all of that. There you go. There you go. So the dog's name is Scooby, and the dog likes to say woof. The cat's name is Beerus, and the cat likes to say meow. Snakey is trying to say hiss. Here's the speak method here. Name is trying to say the sound. But it's overwritten here inside of the dog class. Yeah, see, overrides speak. Yep. So there you go. That's a lot. I think I covered the 4 pillars. Not, well, maybe not abstraction. In abstraction, what you're doing is hiding what's unnecessary. What does my puppet's face look like? I know I've been hitting that number keyboard. He's angry. What the heck? But yeah, that is Java. I hope, you know, if you guys watch this stream, you pick something up from that. I'm trying to fix my puppet's face. Yeah. All right. That was fun. I'll try to think of something cool. Maybe we can do on Friday. Okay, cool. So let's get out of Java here for a second. Sonarlint, what is that extension? Well, it kind of combs through your code for you and tries to make you aware of any defects. Alright, back to Hyperverse. That was fun. Alright, here's Super Dude. Something in this file is breaking. Yeah, I'm trying to find out why Superman keeps breaking and stuff. So let's see. Got rid of a bunch of stuff there. What is happening? Oh, I had to rebuild this guy. I forgot. Okay, I kept all that, which is good. Alright, this has nothing. Nope, what are you doing? I'm just gonna delete that. Okay. You know, I'm actually happy I'm gonna do this. Come on, don't crash. It's probably gonna crash again. Something about this, yeah, okay. Something about the Superman file is just bugging out. Great, I'm getting tired. Yep, there you are. Maybe it was Goku then, all along. Yeah, see, I just got rid of something there. It's gonna crash again. This is the fun of making all this stuff. You get to figure out why it keeps crashing. And then, yep, crashed again. And then try to get it to work. Oh, jeez. Okay, let's try something else here. Let's see if I can... I know I can open Superman. I can open both files just fine by themselves. Try to import one into another. Okay, here's him. I'm gonna move him to the side and try to import Goku. Holy crap. So that worked. I don't know why it worked, but it did. Okay, and we have Goku and Superman. Cool. Let's not look at their nerves right now. Okay, our two combatants, our two heroes. So now I just need an arena or a stage. So let's try to find one. I kind of like the tournament at Power Stage. I wonder if I could find that. Ooh, nice. Look at these. Let's see. I could probably find one. You gotta, like... I could create a stage on my own. I already built these characters, though. So it's like... You know, these assets are out here. Like, look at that. I wonder if I can even get that. Let's see. Can I download this? I cannot. Darn it. Man, that sucks. Why, man? Okay, let's see. Yep. Sometimes people will put it. Continue with Facebook. That's my name, Philip. What? Fine. Bro, man, okay. I don't remember my... You know what? Let's see. Apparently I already have. Yeah? Cool. Alright, great. Well, it's just a photo. Oh, I don't like this. Let's see what happens. Yeah, I wouldn't recommend just downloading stuff like that, but I kind of know where I'm going, so. Yeah. That was a horrible idea. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna go into the, no, not that one. Let's get into the Hyperverse, which is what I like to call this giant folder of stuff. Can this work? What did that do? Nothing? Okay, that did nothing. Great. Okay, so this is a wash. It's not gonna work. That was a waste of time. I think I have that. Let me see. Yep. What's going on? Nothing? What? Oh, fantastic. Okay. We're gonna have to just keep searching. I'm determined to find one. I don't want to build it myself. Oh, hey, what's up, Eric? As we speak, I'm getting ready for the rematch. Rematch between these two. A fighter suit for Superman? Yeah. I have a nice idea to show Superman in an alternate costume for this battle. Voiced. Need to find a dang arena that I can use. Scenes. Okay. Let's see. For Superman, I think there was a cool suit that he had once before. When he was showing off his martial arts skills. It was like gray or something. Yeah, here we go. I thought this one was cool. Wish I could zoom in on that. Oh, man. Yeah, this suit. In this comic, like, you could see Superman, like, showcasing some of his pressure point, like, stuff. And I guess he trained in this suit. It's like General Zod's, like, kind of color scheme. I kind of want to reread this story. I actually don't know what's going on here. But I just remember seeing this. Yeah, true, it should. I feel like, but I don't think Superman needs a suit to do that. I don't. I don't know. Let me show you a clip here. I don't know if you've seen this before. Whoops, let me get out of here. That's my email. Oh, season 2. I said season 3. This is like one of the best showcases of Superman, like powering up. There you go. I'll let you enjoy that. I'm gonna go grab some water real quick. Oh wait, this isn't even him. This doesn't even show him powering up. Never mind. Let's go back. Find a better one. Yeah. Well, no. Okay, I'll let you enjoy this. I'm gonna grab some water. This I thought was really cool. Yeah, Superman and Lois. Yeah, exactly. This was one of my favorite versions of live action Superman, and to date, he's the most powerful one. I'm gonna grab some water. Okay, cool. Yep. So there you go. There he is. Yeah. So that's Superman. But yeah, actually, for this video, I wanted to show Superman preparing for this rematch, right? Because he had already fought Goku once before, at least in the Hyperverse. Yeah, he was. And, you know, like, I thought that was a really good, like, showcase. Um, yeah, that version of Superman, I think, is my favorite live action one, the Tyler Hoechlin version. Let me show you one more clip of why. Let me show you one more clip of why. I'm sure you've seen this too. Like, this guy makes Superman look like he actually knows how to fight. Yeah, here we go. Yeah, I'm sure you've seen this. What? Bro. Suspended? Oh, come on, man. So now what?